So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Twitter advanced search not working, filter operators and browser fix. So fix 1 is access the current link. Open your web browser like Chrome, Safari or Edge. Go directly to this link x.com. Log in into your account if prompted. Second fix is unblock your account restriction. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner, select setting and privacy, then privacy and safety. Tap content you see. Turn on the toggle for display media that may contain sensitive content. Tap search setting at the bottom of the exact menu. Turn off the toggle for hide sensitive content. Turn off the toggle for remove blocked and muted account. Third fix is clear your browse cache. On desktop like Chrome or Edge, open Chrome or Edge browser on your desktop. Click on the three dot menu in the upper right corner. Select more tools and then clear browsing data. Choose the time range for which you want to clear the cache. Check the box for cached image and file. Click on the clear data button to complete the process. Restart the browser for changes to take effect. On mobile like Safari, open the setting app on your iPhone and iPad. Scroll down and select Safari. Scroll to the bottom and tap on clear history and website data. Confirming by tapping clear history and data, restart Safari to ensure the cache is fully cleared. Fourth fix is fix your date formatting syntax. Navigate to the date section at the bottom of the advanced search from. Format your date as year, month, then day. Example, June 1st, 2026, enter 2026, 6th June and 1st day. Avoid any other format to prevent system error. Fifth issue is reduce your filter. Clear the entire form. Fill out only two fields. All of these word and main the one name is from these account. Click search. If it work, clear the search bar to add your next filter or one by one until you find which filter was causing the error. Thanks for watching.